Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 4. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome to your English class. Open your book OPE, page number 19. Dear students, here is the unit 3, lesson 5, writing. Dear students, in previous lessons we discussed about the story Jungle Book. How the wolves protect the little boy Mowgli from the tiger Sher Khan. Now the Mowgli grows up in the jungle and he became a young brave boy, and that wolf loves Mowgli so much. And there are so many friends of Mowgli in the jungle. Now here is the exercise. Read the rest of the Jungle Book, then choose the correct word in the sentence below. Now we have to read the rest of the story and think that how Mowgli lived in the jungle. Mowgli learned to speak to 2-3 groups of the jungle people. Baloo, the old brown bear, loved teaching Mowgli. He taught him how to speak to the different jungle people and important master words. Say the words for the hunting people, said Baloo. We are of one blood, you and I, said Mowgli. Good. Now for the birds. Mowgli said the same words but with the sound of a bird. Here is Baloo the bear is teaching Mowgli that how to talk with jungle animal and to the hunters that come in the jungle for hunting the animals, and how to speak with the birds, and Mowgli learned the sounds of birds. Now for the snake people, said Baloo. Mowgli then made the long sound like the sound of snake. Baloo is teaching Mowgli that how to speak with snake, and Mowgli is making the sound like snake. Can you make the sound of snake? Here I make. Look, this is the sound of snake. Good, said Baloo gently. One day you will thank me for my lessons, Mowgli. Oh, now you will be safe in the jungle because no snake, no bird, no animal will hurt you. You do not need to be afraid of anyone. Why did you never tell me about the Bandar Log? Now Mowgli said that Baloo, that why did you never tell me about that Bandar Log? He is asking that how to behave with the bandars, with the monkeys. Bandar means monkeys. Bandar Log, the monkey people. They play all day and don't do lessons. I want to play with them again. Now Mowgli is saying that he wants to play with that monkey people. Now Baloo answers, Listen, man cub, said Baloo angrily. The monkey people have no law. Their ways are not our ways. They are noisy and dirty, and they think that they are great people, but then they forget everything. The rest of the jungle people do not talk to them and or never think about them. Remember what I tell you? Now Baloo is very angry that because Mowgli asked to play with monkeys, because Baloo doesn't like the monkeys, and not the other animals like so much monkeys. And monkeys are very naughty and they tease everyone in the jungle. So dear students, you listen that how the Baloo was teaching Mowgli. That is how Mowgli lived in the jungle, and all the jungle animals loved the Mowgli so much. Dear students, now read the complete story on page number 16 and understand the story. And also read and understand the story on page number 19, this story. Now it is your homework to complete the story, this exercise, and complete this story. This is a reading journal. You have to complete this journal by putting the correct word from this box. Some words are written here. You have to complete these sentences by adding the right word. For example, I am the reading one. Number 1, this is a story about a boy who grows up in the jungle. His name is Mowgli, which means frog. Dear students, when you start to complete these sentences, you have to find sentences of present simple tense. You have to find those sentences which have es or s at the end of the verb. For example, I have underlined this sentence, that a story about a boy who grows up in the jungle. Now it is a sentence of present simple tense. Just like that, you have to find out more sentences like this sentence. You have to practice the present simple tense in this exercise. There are 6 sentences of present simple tense. I have underlined one for you. Now you have to underline the rest of 5 sentences by yourself and send me the picture. I am repeating. You have to find out the sentences of present simple tense. There are 6 sentences, some with s and es, some are positive sentences, some is negative sentence. Some might start with I, which don't follow the rule of s and es in the end of the verb. Now you have to complete the exercise as I gave the instructions. And I'll be back with another interesting lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.